Wait lang natin, folks. Okay, now Teddy, ayun ka na kay Kuya Kuchi Bumoy. Alright, wait lang natin. Hintayin lang muna natin saglit. Okay, may naamoy daw si Teddy. Parang mabango dyan. Oh. Alright. Now Teddy, ayan na. Okay, ayan na. Alright, now Teddy. Down na boy. Ayan, manap ng pwesto si Teddy, guys. Okay, now Teddy, down na boy. Ayan na, wait lang natin. Saglit at... There you go. That is free hands out tailoring action po. They're doing that in a while to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy, guys. Alright now folks, may direct attention. To your right na naman, that is the older brother of Teddy. Iyain kasi ito si Uno, guys. So, intindihin lang natin, folks, ha? Okay, once again, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior, okay? Kung ayaw talaga mag-follow ni Uno kay Kuya Dexter, si Kuya Dexter na lang ating paakatin sa kahoy, guys. Pero may natay-tayo ngayong hapon, no? Okay, joke lang, biniro ko lang si Kuya Dexter. Now, folks, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of standing up in their two hind legs. At ipapakita yan. Yung Uno ngayong hapon po, na Uno, ang papap na boy, wait lang. Okay. Ay na Uno. Ang papap na boy. Okay, ayan na. And again, medyo mahihain kasi ito si Uno, folks. Okay. Alright, ayan na. Okay, wait lang. Uno, ang papap na boy. There you go. That is two hind legs in action po. Thank you so much, Uno, folks. Fun fact pala about Palawan Bearcat. Their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, pero syempre wag lang natin silang lapitan ha. Baka magkagat pa kayo, magka-issue pa tayo. But we promise you guys, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Omnivores po pala sila, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. At ngayong hapon, Kuya Dexter, pinapakain po kayo, pakita mo sa kanilang kuya. O ano yan, guys? Saging or banana, which is fruit. Once again, omnivore sila ha. Now, may tanong ulit ako sa inyo. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore, correct. How about karne or meat or karne? Carnivores. How about herbs, grasses at karne? Omnivores. Perfect. Last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng fruits or prutas? Wait lang, may narinig akong fruit salad. Wala, hindi fruit salad yung sagutan. Okay, o sino nagkakalagtas kamay? Hala, fruit salad. Sabi ni Kuya, okay, Kuya, come here. Let's help the audience. Tuturuan natin sila.